buddies, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to make fresh homemade strawberry applesauce. Delicious! I know applesauce is easy to find in the store, but I love making my own. I think it tastes so much better. Before we get started today, remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you to lend a hand. Well, since we're making applesauce today, let's head over to the stove. Come on! Let's start by preheating a large pan or a pot over medium heat on your stove. Then let's take 6 cups of peeled and chopped up apples and add them to the pan. Now let's add 1/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of honey. And it wouldn't be strawberry applesauce without a lot of fresh strawberries. So let's add 3 cups of chopped fresh strawberries. And last but not least, let's do 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now take a spoon or a spatula and mix it all together. As the fruit starts to cook, you'll notice it soften and start to release some juices. Now let your mixture continue to cook on the stove for about 15 minutes or so until you notice everything start to soften down. Looks like we're about halfway there. You see the fruit starting to release a good amount of juices and starting to get a bit smooshy. We're getting closer. As you can see, the strawberries will dissolve much quicker than the apples will. Perfect! Looks like we're all done cooking this. Let's transfer it into a bowl so that it can cool a little bit faster. The next step will be taking this mixture and putting it into a blender to make a nice, smooth sauce. But for the time being, we need to let it cool a little bit so it's closer to room temperature before we stick it in the blender. All right, friends, our applesauce has cooled enough so that we can put it into the blender and blend it up. So let's scoop it out. I'm gonna do this in batches because my blender isn't big enough to do the entire thing at one time, but if yours is, feel free to go for it. I'll put the lid on and mix it up. Now, if you prefer your applesauce a little bit chunkier, you can just give it a few pulses with the blender. Now I'll transfer it to this bowl so I can finish blending up the other batch. Looks good to me. All right, I can't wait to give this a taste to see how it turned out. Let's give it a try. That's extra good. It has such a nice smooth texture and the fruit makes it really sweet. There's just a hint of that honey in there. You can really taste the apples, but the strawberry also really comes through and just gives it such a fresh, summery flavor. And I also love the tiny little strawberry seeds that give it a little bit of crunch. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a ton of fun making this homemade strawberry applesauce. This is a fantastic snack that you can make during the summer months when strawberries are in season and they're juicy and sweet and plentiful in your local grocery stores and farmers markets. However, feel free to use frozen strawberries for this as well, and that makes it a year-round recipe that you can make anytime. I'll see you again soon!